Hey guys, welcome back to my low ELO chess channel. So we are going to play one more game. As of now, my standing is 491. That's my rating on chess.com and it is up 117. So let's play one more game and hopefully I can win this game and go past 500. That's the target for today. Okay, so this time I'm white. I will do a king side opening. Standard king side opening. That's all I know. Get my knight out, get my bishop and castle. That is what I have learned. So that's what I want to do. Keep it simple. No piece should be hanging. Okay, so I'm not even familiar with this move. What is this? So I think he's planning to then bring this. That's what he's doing, right? And when that comes, I take, he takes. Okay, that's kind of fucks up my plan for this. Okay, this is annoying me. Let's just do this. Now I'm not I don't know if I'm doing this right. I've never done this. This may be stupid, but it is what it is. So he's planning to probably get his. Okay, you can do that. I don't care. Let's just castle. Oh, this is protected. So if you take it, I will take it. So I will just castle. I want to keep things simple. Protect the king, then we will. What? Dude, this is. Okay, I guess he made a blunder, unless I'm not seeing something. Not sure what's happening here. Okay, so this is all. I thought he was trying to play some fancy move on me. I think this guy is. I overestimated him. So now let's just keep things simple. Yeah, let's just. This is hanging, so you need to protect it. Get your knight out. Even this is hanging, so I think I should. Okay. So let's do this and come here. Right, so right now, I don't know, let's just first do this. So right, this one is protected, this one I will protect with my knight, like this. So I'm thinking if he is planning to do this, I will do this and give him a check. Yeah, that's what he was thinking. I will take his queen. This guy is 532, he's rated higher than me, he's playing like a clown. I think these ratings on chess.com are all bizarre. Just take your queen. And now okay, yes, 520. So we are up. Now let's go back to the game. So let's see, what are my stats? Hey, 0 blunders. Yes! I think this is the first game where I made no blunders. But in all fairness, this was a very short game and the guy was not a good player. I don't know how his rating was 500 plus. Actually, I want to explore the opening because this guy threw me off. So I did my standard king side, this is my standard king side opening. He did this, I did this. So far everything is standard. Let's open the chess book here. So what is it? King's knight opening, yeah. And then he did this, which is some bizarro. Yeah, see, even the engine is saying this is weird. The suggestion was to do e4 to protect. Yeah, but I was worried about that. If I did that, let's see what would have happened. So if I did this, he would have taken it and then I bring out my queen. Okay. And then he brings out his queen. See, I don't like this kind of gameplay. I don't want to get my queen out like this. That's why I avoided it. So I didn't do that. So I did this and it says my move was also stupid. But yeah, I mean the reason I did this, because I thought once he did this, I was expecting him to do this to put pressure here. And so that's why I said, okay, let's control, let's control the center from here. That was my plan. Now, Stockfish is saying that's a stupid plan. But it is what it is. Okay, so he did this. Okay, then he says this is also stupid. So instead of this, he's saying I should, this is how these engines play, right? Humans, I don't play like that. I want to get my bishop developed and then I want to castle. That's what I want to do. So I want to keep things simple. So yeah, no blunders. Everything was good. This was a good game, but I was expecting more, a better competitor. So this guy was he sucked basically. So I think, yeah, today's video is not all that interesting, guys, but it is what it is. At least we are now past 500. So I have said in multiple videos, my goal is to get to 1000 ELO. And I want to get to a point where I don't make any blunders. So that's a good start. Today I did not make any blunder. And I want to have, like, if I can play like 10 games in a row and I don't make a single blunder in all of those 10 games, then I would consider myself like a, decent player. I'm still a beginner. But right now I just make blunders. I just hang my pieces and I just commit stupid mistakes. In the last game, there was a clear, checkmate opportunity and I didn't even see it. It was only during analysis I realized that, hey, I could have just moved my rook all the way to my enemy's, the last rank, and it would have been a checkmate. I didn't see it. And I've made a lot of stupid mistakes. A couple of days back, I was in a strong winning position and I ended up committing a blunder, which resulted in a stalemate. So I'm making a lot of real stupid rookie mistakes. So before I learn all these fancy Karo Khan defense or whatever that was, before I learn any of those things, I first want to get my basics right. Develop my pieces, castle, protect all my pieces, not commit any blunder, don't leave my pieces hanging. Once I get there, then we will talk about other things. From what I know, from what I have learned by watching other YouTube videos, people who know more than me, the recommendation is early on just focus on tactics, learn the basics of chess. Don't try to be too smart, don't get your queen out in the first 5 moves, like don't play stupid chess, don't try to come up with fancy strategies, because none of those things work when your ELO rating is 500. So first you need to get to, for me, I first want to get to 1000, and after that I will think about 1500 and 2000. That's very far in the future. Right now I want to get to 1000. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you think I made some mistake, or if there is any interesting move, please drop a comment in the comment section below. I will put a link to this game, the Lee Chess, this URL. I will put it in the video description, so you guys can go and check out the game if you are interested. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys again tomorrow.